Technology wins the world's respect. Innovation leads future development. In 2010, with the technical advance by Institute of Chemistry, Chinese Academy of Sciences, the first domestic technology-based enterprise specialized in PMI was founded in Hangzhou Bay, China. Cashem Advanced Materials High-Tech Company Limited, Zhejiang. Cashem has always focused on the research of rigid PMI form and the laboratory of new polymer materials, which co-established with the Institute of Chemistry, Chinese Academy of Sciences, has multiple independent intellectual property rights, covering form process, performance optimization, and so on. Company's main product, Cashem form, can be divided into HF, WH, RS, WX, RX, IH, FR, MF series by function and application. It has been used in carbon fiber sandwich composites due to its excellent properties of lightweight and high strength, which can greatly reduce the product's weight and improves the capacity of carrying and endurance. And it has been widely used in aviation aircraft, aerospace equipment, rail transit, ships, wind power generation, medical equipment, sports, and other fields. The production capacity and market share of Cashem ranked the frontline in China, even globally, and its products exported to over 100 countries and regions around the world, and can provide processing services such as slicing, drilling, and the carving of irregular parts, targeting products with different application and requirement. We can provide customized solutions of thermoforming, machining, and so on. Technology wins the respect of the world is the business philosophy of Cashem. Paid to the cultivation and embodiment of employees' innovation ability and personal value, providing opportunities and growth platforms for every employee with dreams. Cashem takes quality wins the market. Integrity builds the brand as a spiritual creed, complies with the production quality system, environmental system, and EHS management system, controls full process from raw material incoming inspection, process inspection control to shipment quality control, to ensure the excellence and stability of product quality. On the journey of technological innovation, Cashem will continue to adhere to the original intention of revitalizing industry and carrying national aspirations, uphold the corporate spirits of unity, perseverance, pragmatism, and pursuit, and strive towards the goal of becoming a respected new material partner and leading brand in the field of new materials internationally.